guys! So today I want to share with you the Kirtan Kriya, which is a Kundalini meditation that I do every day as a part of my morning ritual. It's focused on clearing out old subconscious patterns so that you can up your energetic baseline to be at a higher energetic frequency and be more aligned to your truth. So with this meditation, I often just do it ongoing, but when you're starting, you want to do at minimum 40 days. And if you miss a day, you go back to day 1. So I'm going to go through an opening chant that calls in the energy of the higher consciousness of the gurus. Then I'll be doing a protective chant, the second one, which it kind of puts like a beautiful white orb of light around you. And then I'll go through the actual Kirtan Kriya meditation, which is Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. And with every word, you're going to tap your fingertips. And it's going to start from being loud to whispering to silence, and you'll keep saying Sa, Ta, Na, Ma in your head, and then you'll say it out loud in a whisper and then normal voice again. So that'll be an 11-minute meditation. Then I'll do the closing song, and then I will finish with a Satnam. So that's the overall outline. And if you want to join me, feel free to do that. During the Kirtan Kriya, I will actually be playing a song to chant with the Kirtan Kriya so that I don't have to keep track of the timing. And you can find that music on Spotify or on YouTube. Just send me a message if you'd like more information. Okay, here we go. So first, tuning into your body. And then I'll begin with the opening chant, go into the protective chant, and then we'll do the Kirtan Kriya. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Adgare Name, Jagadgare Name, Satgare Name, Siddhi Guru Deve Name. Adgare Name, Jagadgare Name, Satgare Name, Siddhi Guru Deve Name. Adgare Name, Jagadgare Name, Satgare Name, Siddhi Guru Deve Name. We'll start with the Kirtan Kriya. And always remember to be sitting up tall, really lengthening through your spine throughout the entire Kundalini meditation, so that the energy of the Kundalini that starts from the root can move up through the entire spine, out through the crown.
Satanama, 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 Sa,
And then taking 3 deep breaths. And then shake it out. And then for the closing song. May the long-time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on. May the long-time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on, guide your way on, guide your way on. Sat Nam. Have a beautiful day. If you'd like to have more information, you can check out my website, stanzielangtree.com, or you can send me a message if you have any questions.